Hello, beautiful humans. Brandon Peña here, co-founder of 787 Coffee, a from farm to cup coffee experience. We own a coffee farm in Puerto Rico, 103 acres, where we grow, process, and roast the coffee beans that we serve at 787 Coffee. 25 locations, including New York City, El Paso, Texas, and of course, Puerto Rico. From nothing, from working at a McDonald's to having a dream and growing. So I love coffee, absolutely love coffee. It's exciting to brew coffee, to serve coffee, to grow coffee, to process, to roast. Absolutely love it. And I'm always looking for ways to simplify, simplify, simplify. As you can imagine, having 25 coffee shops can get busy. And we have a lot of meetings, and we have a lot of trainings, and we have new hires, and we have open stores and taxes, and so on and so forth. So if I can find a way to simplify, 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 if I can find a way to save a minute here and a minute there so that I can spend time doing what I actually love, which is coffee, humans, connecting, going to the coffee shops, spending time with the humans that I love, such as my mother, that she is going through chemo right now, and I spend every single moment that I possibly can with her, pampering her, reminding her that life is beautiful, and even though she's going through this horrible, horrible, horrible moment in her life, soon this will be just a nightmare, and she will be able to enjoy life and the beautiful things that life and earth have to offer. So yeah, I look for ways to simplify, 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 and one of them is a gift that I got. It's a really cool method because it's all glass. There is no paper filter needed. All you basically need is the equipment and my 787 coffee beans. I grind, I brew. It normally takes 3 to 4 minutes. It's pretty consistent. It's pretty easy to clean. And I like it. So I wake up. I usually wake up super early in the morning. I read a couple of articles. I love my mocha pot in the morning when I wake up. And then my next coffee, my next cup of coffee is the pour over. I hope you like it. If you haven't tried it, try it. It's definitely a good way to simplify. How do you simplify? Well, for one, I don't have to think of paper filters. Two, I am not using plastic. And like we always say, if it's good for Earth, it's good for you. So I try to consume as little as possible. I look for ways to simplify. I always wear a black t-shirt or black clothes because it's easier for me to select what I get to wear on a daily basis, and I get to spend the time where I want to spend the time. So if you are a leader, an entrepreneur, a business owner, especially a small business owner like 787 Coffee, like us, where we don't have all of the unlimited budgets of hiring attorneys and accountants and so on and so forth, we have to be involved in so many different aspects of the business. So finding little things that help you achieve more in less time so that you get to relax, enjoy life, and spend time with the humans that you care for and care for what's really important in life, then, like growing your business, then look for ways to simplify, simplify, simplify. I always do. I will be sharing a lot of tips here. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you learn, make sure you improve, make sure you have an amazing, beautiful day, because it is a great day to be alive. We are alive today. We are breathing. We are enjoying. Go out there, make a difference in your world, because ultimately that'll impact my world. So stay caffeinated. Let's do this. So yeah, I like brewing the pour over. It's a great method for me. It's a very simple method. Glass, two different servers, one on top of the other. It has a dispenser, and then I dose it to 20 grams. I grind it, and I do the blooming, which is approximately 30 seconds, and then I'll just do a single extraction for 3 minutes or so. I hope you enjoy. Have a beautiful day. It's a great day to be alive.